I recently put together the 5-tier vertical raised garden all by myself, and it's been a great addition to our small patio. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try, and since we don't have much space, the vertical design is perfect for using the area efficiently. Assembling it was easy, and all the tools were included. The triangular design is perfect for growing herbs, flowers, and vegetables, and it will work both indoors and outdoors. I planted some geraniums and I cannot wait to see them bloom soon. Overall, this vertical garden is perfect for making the most of our small patio space.